Let's make a great recipe, Chicken Paprikash. My version is not a normal version because I like a lot of bell peppers and chilies. Like I like red bell peppers in it, Anaheim chilies, onion and garlic and paprika and sour cream. I'll use some parsley and some chicken broth, some noodles, some garlic, some flour, and some chicken. I'm using about 3 pounds of chicken. You can use 2.5 to 3 pounds of chicken for this. And let's get started. I've been heating my pot over medium heat. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. I put salt and pepper on my chicken. We're going ahead and put the chicken in here and brown it. Let this brown on the first side. It's been another 5 minutes. We'll go ahead and remove the chicken back onto the plate. If you want it, you can go ahead and de-skin. Take the skin off the chicken if you wish. I'm going to add all the peppers and onion and cook this. Putting the lid on helps things along, you know, get soft quicker, faster. I'm starting to get fond on the bottom of the pot again. I'm going to add a half a cup, half a cup of vermouth, just a little bit. Help get that fond up off the bottom. We don't want the fond to burn beyond repair where it gets nasty. And I'm going to go ahead and add garlic. I've roughly chopped 3 big cloves of garlic. I'm going to let this cook a minute or two. The garlic is cooked about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to add flour. It's 2 tablespoons of flour. My Hungarian paprika, 1/4 cup. I'm going to stir this in and let this cook. It's cooked about 1.5 minutes. I'm going to add my large tomato. And 1 cup of chicken broth. And scrape the bottom of the pan. It's looking good now, I tell you. We'll let this cook a couple minutes. The paprika and flour has cooked about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. I'm going to add the chicken back to the pot. You can put this in the oven, or you can cook it on top of the stove. I'm going to go ahead and cook it on top of the stove. You'd want to cook it for about 45 minutes in the oven at 350 with the lid on. But I turn the heat down just then. I'm going to bring it back up just to a bare simmer and cook it with the lid on for 25 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to take 3/4 cup sour cream and a tablespoon of flour and mix this together. The chicken is cooked for 25 minutes, but if you keep taking the lid off to check it to see if it's simmering nicely, you should go another 10 minutes just to be sure your chicken's done. You want it to be 165 degrees. Take your noodles that you cooked, cook them al dente. Then drain, put lots of butter on them. And the al dente is important because you want a lot of butter on these to where they soak up the butter. And some parsley and salt, and taste them. If you need to add a little bit of the water from cooking, that's okay, but butter is preferable. Remove your chicken from the sauce. Take some of the sauce and put it into your sour cream and flour mixture. Mix this up. It'll kind of temper the sour cream. You want to do this at the last moment and not cook the sour cream. No, just do it at the last. You know, temper it and add it to your sauce. You know, get all of it in there better than me. Better than I did. Now your sauce is complete and good. Really good. Here we go. Oh, that looks nice. That chicken looks nice. Get a little bit of noodle. So very delicious. I really hope you try this. Thank you so much for watching.